Picture the empty glass bottle you just finished. Its journey isn't over when you toss it in the recycling bin. That bottle is about to be reborn, possibly returning to a store shelf in just 30 days. Glass is unique. It's 100% recyclable and can be recycled endlessly without losing quality. Unlike plastic or paper, glass never degrades. Today's bottle could serve generations. Every ton of recycled glass saves over a ton of raw materials like sand and limestone. This reduces mining, protects ecosystems, and shrinks our environmental footprint. The process is a blend of simple collection and advanced technology: sorting, cleaning, crushing, and melting. It all starts with a single choice at home or work. Let's follow a glass bottle's journey from your bin to its next life. Discover how recycling turns waste into a permanent resource. Recycling glass isn't just about saving materials. It's about saving energy and cutting emissions. Using recycled glass, or cullet, lowers the temperature needed to make new glass, saving energy and reducing carbon emissions. For every 10% of cullet used, energy use drops by up to 3%. Less energy means fewer greenhouse gases from glass factories. Every recycled bottle is a step toward cleaner air and a healthier climate. Glass recycling also supports jobs, from collection to remanufacturing. Using cullet is cheaper for manufacturers' savings that can benefit consumers. Dropping a bottle in the recycling bin is an act of environmental stewardship and economic support. It's a small action with a big impact, fueling a circular economy. Recycling transforms waste into opportunity, closing the loop for a sustainable future. The journey starts when you drop a glass bottle in the recycling bin. Some communities use curbside pickup, others rely on drop-off centers. Trucks collect the glass and deliver it to a material recovery facility, or MRF. Here, mountains of glass await sorting and purification. In some places, you sort glass by color: clear, brown, or green, making recycling more efficient. Whether pre-sorted or mixed, the glass heads to the sorting line. The goal: remove contaminants like plastic, metal, and paper. Sorting combines manual labor and machines to prepare glass for its next life. This first step is crucial for high-quality recycling. Clean, sorted glass is the foundation for endless reuse. Purity is everything in glass. Recycling a single contaminant can ruin a batch. Ceramics or heat-resistant glass melt at different temperatures, causing defects. Facilities use magnets to pull out steel and eddy currents for aluminum. Air blowers remove paper and plastic. Workers hand-pick what machines miss. Each step ensures only compatible glass moves forward. The process is thorough. Multiple checks catch stray materials. Every contaminant removed increases the value of recycled glass. This attention to detail makes endless recycling possible. Clean cullet is the key to strong, safe new products. Separation is where the promise of a circular economy begins. After sorting, bottles are crushed into cullet, small, clean fragments. Crushing increases surface area, making cleaning easier. Water sprays control dust, protecting workers and keeping the plant clean. Crushed glass moves to a trommel screen, a rotating sieve that separates usable pieces from oversized debris. Oversized items are removed, refining the batch. Next, an air classification system sucks away any remaining lightweight contaminants. Stubborn labels and plastics are eliminated in this step. Each stage brings the glass closer to pure, high-quality cullet. Only the cleanest fragments are ready for remanufacturing. The journey from bottle to fragment is a precise, efficient transformation. The journey towards pristine cullet requires advanced purification to meet manufacturers' standards. Crushed glass passes by powerful magnets again to remove any tiny ferrous metal particles from bottle caps or other sources. Next, the cullet is treated to remove organic residues. The crushed glass is passed through a fluidized bed dryer, which burns off any remaining sugars from liquids, glues, and adhesives. The ultimate step involves the optical sorter. Each fragment falls past high-speed cameras and sensors that analyze its color and transparency. Based on this analysis, the machine uses jets of compressed air to separate the glass fragments. It sorts the cullet into different color streams and ejects any remaining non-glass materials with surgical precision. What emerges is clean, color-sorted cullet of the highest purity. This valuable commodity is ready to be shipped to glass factories and begin its next life. The clean cullet is transported to a glass manufacturing plant. Here, the recycled material will be reborn through fire. At the factory, the cullet is precisely measured and mixed with other ingredients like sand, soda ash, and limestone. This mixture is then fed into the furnace. These are colossal industrial ovens engineered to withstand immense heat. The inclusion of cullet provides a significant advantage. Recycled glass melts at a lower temperature than raw materials. The reduced energy demand lowers operational costs and extends the furnace lifespan. Inside, temperatures soar to between 1,400 and 1,600 degrees Celsius. This heat turns the mixture into a vibrant, glowing liquid. The molten glass flows in a continuous stream, ready to be shaped into new glass containers. Gobs of the molten glass, precisely measured, are snipped off. These gobs are then dropped into molds. Compressed air is blown into the mold, forcing the glass to expand and take on the shape of a container. Freshly blown bottles aren't ready until they undergo annealing. This crucial process reheats and gradually cools the glass in a temperature-controlled oven. Annealing relieves internal stresses, preventing brittleness. After annealing, each container undergoes thorough inspection. Imperfect items are rejected and remelted. The journey from recycling bin to store shelf is swift. The containers are then filled, labeled, and distributed. This closed-loop system transforms waste into a valuable product. Recycled cullet is commonly used for new bottles and jars, but it's also used to manufacture fiberglass insulation. Molten glass is spun at high speeds, creating fine glass threads. These threads are woven into mats with excellent thermal properties, making buildings more energy efficient. Recycled glass has found its way into an array of innovative applications, particularly within the construction and design industries. Crushed glass can substitute traditional aggregates like sand or gravel in concrete mixtures. This diverts glass from landfills and can enhance the final product. Another use is glassfault for paving roads, sidewalks, and parking lots. Cities use it to manage recycled glass waste while creating a durable and reflective road surface. Recycled glass is also a key component in countertops, tiles, and flooring. Terrazzo-style surfaces can incorporate colorful fragments of recycled glass. Recycled glass is also finding new life in more specialized and artistic applications. Artisans are upcycling whole bottles into functional objects like drinking glasses, lamps, and vases. Recycling glass is environmental stewardship with measurable benefits. Recycling conserves our planet's finite natural resources. Recycling glass into cullet prevents the need to mine virgin raw materials. Reusing materials lessens the destructive impact of mining, which leads to habitat destruction and soil erosion. Glass recycling saves energy. Recycled cullet melts at a lower temperature using less fuel. This reduction in energy consumption translates to a smaller carbon footprint. It significantly cuts down on air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Glass recycling is a powerful tool in our global fight against climate change. Glass recycling offers a true closed-loop system. Glass can be recycled endlessly without any loss of its purity or strength. A recycled glass bottle becomes a new glass bottle. This keeps valuable material out of landfills. Glass recycling creates a powerful and positive economic ripple effect. The entire recycling ecosystem is a significant source of employment, creating jobs from collection to remanufacturing. Recycled cullet presents a clear economic advantage, often more affordable than virgin materials. Cullet melts at a lower temperature, reducing energy consumption and wear on furnaces. Innovative uses of recycled glass are creating new markets, like glassfault and decorative tiles. These applications transform waste into high-value products, driving economic growth. Recycling reduces waste management costs, as landfill space is finite. Savings can be reallocated to essential public services. Recycling is an investment that pays dividends in both environmental health and economic efficiency. Glass is endlessly recyclable. So why isn't every bottle and jar recycled? Several challenges stand in the way of universal glass recycling. A primary barrier is access and participation, especially in rural areas. Lack of clear information and the inconvenience of sorting led many to toss glass into general waste. Contamination is a persistent problem, especially in single-stream systems. Glass breaks easily, contaminating other materials like paper and cardboard. Up to 40% of collected glass is too contaminated to be sorted and ends up in landfills. Glass's physical properties present logistical and economic hurdles. It's heavy, increasing transportation costs. Glass is also abrasive, causing wear on machinery and increasing maintenance costs. Fluctuating economic factors complicate recycling viability. Low raw material and energy prices can make virgin materials more appealing than cullet. Wish cycling contaminates cullet. Overcoming these challenges requires better public education, advanced technology, and supportive policies. The success of glass recycling hinges on the decisions made in homes every day. You, as a consumer, play a critical role. Commit to recycling every glass bottle and jar. These items are designed for an endless life. Ensure a valuable resource is preserved. This simple habit is the most powerful step you can take. Prepare your glass correctly. A quick rinse can make a significant difference. Metal caps can typically be recycled with other metals. Preparing your containers properly ensures they arrive ready for their transformation. Only recycle the right kind of glass. The recycling stream is designed exclusively for container glass. Other types of glass have different chemical compositions and melting points. If these items find their way into the recycling mix, they can contaminate an entire batch. Follow your local recycling guidelines closely. Adhering to these local rules helps to maintain the purity of the collected material, ensuring that each bottle can be reborn again and again. The life of a glass bottle, as we have seen, does not have to end once its contents are gone. Its journey is not linear, but circular. It is a story of remarkable and continuous transformation. With every single bottle that we rinse and recycle, we are actively participating in a system that reduces waste, conserves our planet's precious natural resources, and builds a stronger, more sustainable economy for the future. The path from your recycling bin, through the complex processes of sorting and melting, and back to a store shelf, is a powerful demonstration of a circular economy in action, where the concept of waste is thoughtfully and systematically designed out of the system. Glass stands as one of humanity's most ancient and most sustainable materials, a substance uniquely capable of being reborn an infinite number of times without ever losing its inherent quality or purity. It is a testament to what is possible when we design products with their entire life cycle in mind. However, this incredible potential can only be fully realized if we all choose to participate. The success of this elegant, closed-loop system depends entirely on our collective commitment. It relies on the conscious decisions of individuals, the supportive policies of communities, and the continued innovation of industries working together toward a common goal of resource preservation. Your role in this global effort cannot be overstated. By supporting the system through proper recycling habits, you are casting a vote for a healthier planet and a more responsible way of living. You can amplify this impact even further by actively choosing to purchase products that are packaged in glass and, whenever possible, those that are made with recycled content. Furthermore, finding creative ways to reuse jars and bottles in your own home for storage or decoration extends their useful life even before they enter the recycling stream, adding another layer of value and reducing consumption overall. So, the next time you hold an empty glass bottle in your hand, take a moment to remember its incredible potential. You are not holding a piece of trash. You are holding the very beginning of something new. You are holding a resource that, with your help, can continue its journey indefinitely, saving energy, protecting landscapes, and reducing pollution with every cycle. You are holding the tangible promise of a cleaner, more circular future, a future that we can all help to build, one bottle at a time.